How to make money with Depop. Want to make money selling clothes and vintage items online? Here's how to make money with Depop. First, create a free account and set up a clean profile with a clear photo and short bio. This helps buyers trust you. Next, start by selling clothes you already own. Focus on trendy, vintage, or unique items that stand out. Take bright, aesthetic photos with good lighting and simple backgrounds. Write clear descriptions and use relevant hashtags so people can find your listings more easily. Then set your prices, but leave room for offers since Depop buyers often negotiate. To grow faster, post consistently and refresh your listings so they stay visible in search results. You can also source clothes from thrift stores and resell them for profit by curating a specific style or aesthetic. The key is branding. Your shop should have a vibe that attracts a specific audience. Stay consistent, improve your listings, and you can build a strong reselling business on Depop.